Good afternoon, Ateneo Patrol Nation. I am your host, Cyril Siongco. Let's get right into the news. We are now live here at Ateneo de Manila University for a special report. Today, we are going to see firsthand how global warming has affected the Philippines. It is undeniable fact that global warming is happening around the world. With the rise in sea levels, drought, and increase in air pollution, it is clearly evident how global warming proves to be an alarming concern for both living and non-living organisms in the community.
So what exactly is global warming? I'm sure most of you have heard of this word multiple times, in school, on television, or from a complete stranger. The word global warming has been brought up countless times due to its major effects on the Earth. A group of scientists formed by the United Nations called the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or IPCC, studied the greenhouse gases that are responsible for global warming. The panel also learned that carbon dioxide, or CO2, proves to be the most harmful gas in the atmosphere. Along with CO2, gases such as methane released from landfills and agriculture, nitrous oxide from fertilizers, and gases used for refrigeration and industrial processes contribute to global warming. These gases come from the combustion of fossil fuels in cars.
The Philippines is known to be a third world country and home to about 102 million people. With the constant increase of the population, global warming is more rampant than ever. One obvious effect of the issue is the changes in weather conditions or climate change. There have been natural calamities, particularly floods that have wiped away infrastructures and the innocent lives of many people. In early 2007, 3 typhoons hit the country, with an unusual one in February, triggering a landslide that killed 250 people in southern Leyte province. Yolanda and Ondoy are considered to be 2 out of the 10 deadliest typhoons between 2009 and 2013 that have caused great havoc to the Philippines. Typhoon Yolanda was responsible for the loss of 6,300 lives, more than 4 million displaced citizens, and 2 million pesos in damages in 2013. Another effect is the rise in sea levels. A study by the Philippine Country Study to address climate change discovered that Manila Bay is already at risk of being exposed to various hazards such as floods and storms. Shoreline changes due to reclamation for housing, ports, coastal roads, buildings, and other urbanized development are high, adding to an increased threat of inundation, the study said. To avoid further damages that comes with global warming, certain solutions are proposed by different organizations. We have to reduce our carbon emissions to significantly lessen the greenhouse gases that trap heat in the atmosphere. A way in which we can reduce our emissions is the use of renewable energy to minimize dependence on coal and fossil fuels. As individuals, we can reduce our carbon footprint by decreasing our consumptions of carbon-emitting activities such as the usage of cars. Bicycle use or carpooling can be a way to lessen our carbon footprints. Another way to lessen global warming emission is by reducing tropical deforestation. Companies that utilize deforestation in the production of commodities are called to perform deforestation-free practices. More importantly, proper information regarding global warming should be disseminated. This information confuses the people about the effects of global warming. This gives the authorities some difficulty in administering solutions. This can be easily done through the use of different media, especially social media. However, since global warming cannot be completely eradicated, there is a need to prepare for the inevitable impacts such as extreme weather events, wildfire risks, heat waves, and sea level rise. Authorities and individuals should be equipped with the necessary knowledge to lessen casualties during certain events. And this is the end of our report. Cyril Siongco speaking from Ateneo Patrol Nation. Thank you and have a good day.